Do it for real, get money, touch a mil, put it on ya, can you catch it, slip it, got them like, look back at it, do it for real, get money, touch a mil, put it on ya, can you catch it.
Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super hyped because I got a brand new tutorial for you guys. I'm not gonna say this is not wearable because I don't believe in the term wearable. Like, I hate when people are like, that's not a wearable lip color. Like, why is it not? You know what I'm saying? But it is a really bold look, and if it's too much for you, feel free to swap out the lip for like a nude lip to kind of tone down the look. But I've been doing so much nude lips lately that I was just kind of over it, and I was like, orange might work. So yeah, I really hope that you guys love this look, and I hope you create it. If you do, please tag me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, all of that, whatever you got, tag me in it, and I will love to repost it and share it with everyone so they can see how awesome you guys are. And shout out to all my new subscribers. So since I've been gone, I've definitely noticed an increase in my subscriber count, and I just want to say thank you for subscribing even though I took a little break. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you've been loving the content that I previously put out. And I hope you love everything that I put out now. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, I'm judging you, I'm judging your mother, and I'm judging everyone else. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can all be one happy family. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And that is about it. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
it, do it